Welcome to Swamp Cat Outfitters. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. We just moved into this new shop about 2 months ago. So what we're wanting to do is take it from bare open warehouse type shop and turn it into the outfitter shop that you guys need for us to be, so that we can build your adventure rigs for you. So we're gonna do a little bit of a walk around today and show you kind of what the end vision is, and then also get started on clearing some of this stuff out. Come along. So the first thing we got to do is get rid of some old stuff that the previous owner left behind. He had built this outhouse type thing over here, you know, as a restroom, and let's just, to put it nicely, it's janky. So we're gonna have to get that thing out of here and replace it with something better. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a mezzanine loft type situation with an office in the bathroom upstairs, and then some storage and workshop space downstairs. So that'll go in this corner. And then as we move around over here, we'll have, you know, toolboxes, and maybe we'll do the tire mount and balance situation over here. And then of course we got the 2-post lift that we've already got installed. This is an 11,000 pound 2-post lift that we got from Altex here in the DFW area. They're out in Fort Worth. Fantastic group out there. So this will be our primary station for installing lifts and doing any kind of maintenance that requires the vehicle to be off the ground. And then of course we're going to add toolboxes and shelving and stuff back behind there. Over here in this corner, I think we're going to eventually put in a 4-post lift, so we can do alignments, 4-wheel alignments, and other kinds of maintenance and stuff that doesn't require the tires to be off the ground. So differential services, electrical installs, you know, any of that kind of stuff. Coming around this way, we got our heating system installed here, which is an old rusty wood burning stove. I'm sure it was fantastic at one point in time, but right now the thing leaks and it's rusted through, so we're going to be getting rid of this. And we may end up putting more tire mount and balance stuff over here, or maybe this will be a differential teardown, like a re-gearing station. Not exactly sure what we're going to do with that yet. And then of course we got some more space over here. We got an AC system we're going to get rid of and upgrade, so we have good heating and cooling for our techs and whatnot in here. And that's pretty much it. That's the vision. But first, before we can really do any of that, we got to clear some space. So our big pile of stuff, this is all kind of, some of it's miscellaneous, but most of this is camping gear and overlanding gear and stuff that you know, we're going to continue to use, obviously, but I don't want to take up shop space. So tonight we're going to spend some time moving this stuff out to a shed on the property and getting this space cleared out and ready to put more cool shop equipment in. So join us.
I found, I don't know, a lizard skeleton. What the heck is this?
All right, so we're done. We got all the stuff moved out of the way. We still got some repair to do, obviously, and some more cleanup to do, but it's a great night, so we're gonna call it there and go spend some time around the fire pit. See you next time.